Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of Trading Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you close your Coinbase account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to do that, you just simply have to open any of your browser into your computer. So firstly, open your browser and after opening the browser, open the coinbase.com site and log in your account into there. After logging your account into coinbase.com, this homepage will appear. Now in order to close your account, you just simply have to click into your profile icon into the top right, and after entering into there, just simply click into this profile informations option. After going into Coinbase account section or profile information section, just scroll down until you see this close account button at the very bottom. Click into that close account button, and after clicking into there, you have to enter your password into here. Just simply enter the password, and after entering the password, click to this close account button. But before doing that, remember, if you do this process once, you cannot undo it. It means if once your account successfully be closed, then you cannot reopen the account or use it. Now if you want to proceed, just simply click to close account, then your account will successfully be closed. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another future update from the channel. Thank you for watching the video.